If you are ever alone this Christmas, you won't be alone because there's so many like you. They'll be sleeping in a doorway or under a cardboard box as the snow, rain, and sleet falls around them. So don't be sad, 'cause there's loneliness around you, even in a warm house. Just get into the spirit of life and enjoy your surroundings wherever you may be.